Ivana Petrovic will be fighting Now Young, and I'm pretty much looking forward to this. Ivana Petrovic recently lost to Anna Karolina via decision, but she fought really well, and I'm looking forward to it. Like, she had many finishes in her previous outings, used to be RSFC champ. She's got good grappling, but now Young is also on a downfall, and I think this is a good rival for Ivana. I believe Ivana is like with 5'8", 71 inches of reach. She is very good for this weight class. She's tall. Now Young is 5'5", 67.3 inches of reach out of Heilong, Jiang, China. She lost to JJ Aldrich, Silvana Gomez Juarez, Ariane Carnelossi. Now she's fighting to stay in the promotion. She used to be WLF champ, and honestly, I don't know what happened when she arrived into the UFC. She also lost to Maria Agapova, Lilia Shakirova, Juliana Velasquez. She was always losing to those opponents and to high-level opponents. And I'm confident that Ivana is going to win, but I'm going to say fight will not go the distance. I see Ivana winning via ground and pound or some kind of a submission. But yeah, I see Ivana inside the distance. But I'm gonna say fight not going the distance.